On world, it's your man Pat Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services, and today we're going to be using some of this 3M adhesive headliner fabric on this 2003 BMW with a floppy headliner. So I've not done this on this particular vehicle, but we're going to do it today. So I'm going to record this, see how this goes. Alright, so I have the camera set up. Here we go with this. And it says I need to have something that'll be smooth after reading the directions. It's kind of firm. We're going to use this extra polar ice gum as a hard surface to kind of make this up with. I probably should have a mask on. At least I got gloves. So I'm just going to start with a little bit and see kind of what happens. Oh, well, that's not doing what I thought it would do. Go ahead and wipe this down. There we go. Yeah. That's definitely not working the way that I thought. I probably should have started in the back. So I'm just going to hold this here for a second and see how it does. And hope that it holds. Because it's not starting off as hot as I thought that it would. And that's the male person. Hey, my bad, man. I'm putting my male person. Okay. Come on. Stick. Well, this would be great, but the AC is probably rolled down the windows. The AC in this car doesn't work. And it's bleeding through. It's supposed to be staying up here by itself. Should have probably brought some tacks or something. I probably should have also seen how this actually sprayed before spraying it. So it says anywhere from 15 to 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Hopefully it's not that long. Because I don't want to be here that long waiting for it to dry. But I think that's what might end up happening. Let's probably look to show you guys how this looks. Okay. Alright, so you can see that little wet spot. It's supposed to be where it is holding. So the game plan here is to hold it pretty close to it and apply only little bits and little increments at a time and go from there. So I'm going to do this and report back in. Back over to the car. Now, I did a good attempt at this, but I realized I should leave this to somebody else because you can see all this is still hanging down. Of course, I didn't do this. I only focused on this front part using that 3M adhesive. Let me go to the back seat. Probably make this look a little bit more understandable. Damn BMW. So as you can see, that's as much as I got done. And I realized that it's just looking like crap. I'm not a headliner guy. So I'm going to leave this to somebody else because I don't like the way it looks. And it's hard to convince charging somebody for something that's bleeding through. It looks horrible. So what's my opinion of that 3M stuff? It definitely works, but you got to know how to work it to not have it soak through. As you can tell, that is what those white spots are. You dirty minds out there, that is nothing else. So I'm leaving this one to another expert. Until next time, mi gente, vi promundo beneficio. Peace.